If you have the problem that the image or the video you want to put into a frame is cut off and you already did everything to make it fit but it's not working, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. The first method I'm gonna show you is very easy and quick. Just double click on your image or video, then press and hold shift on your keyboard. After this, just click on one of these corners and drag them to the right side or top side. Don't forget to also expand this cropped window. This way you are going to stretch your image or video horizontally or vertically to make it fit to your frame. If you don't like this method, I have the second method for you. In the second method, we are going to create another page inside our project, and here we are going to duplicate or just insert our image. Put your image in the center and make it a little bit smaller. Then we are going to use the color picker of Canva to get the same background. If you have Canva Pro, you can also use the magic expand tool from Canva to expand your image with AI. Now we are going to download this image as an PNG, and then we are going to drag it into the first page of our project. Just put our new image inside of this frame. As you can see here, we have enough space to resize our image and make it fit to our frame. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.